Today I am checking out the new UGREEN NAS DXP4800 GT, and if you are running security cameras, storing family photos, or you are tired of paying monthly cloud storage fees, this might be exactly what your smart home needs. Instead of relying on multiple apps and expensive cloud subscriptions, the DXP4800 GT works as your own private storage center, keeping your security footage, family videos, documents, and important files all in one place that you completely control. One of the biggest advantages is storage capacity. This 4-bay NAS supports up to 144 TB of total storage using 4 SATA drive bays and 2 M.2 NVMe SSD slots. That's enough space for millions of photos, thousands of movies, or years of security camera recordings. One of the features that makes the DXP4800 GT particularly interesting for a smart home is the built-in surveillance center. If you have compatible ONVIF or RTSP security cameras, you can connect them directly to the NAS and turn the DXP4800 GT into your own centralized video surveillance system. From the surveillance center, you can monitor your cameras through live view, manage multiple camera feeds from one interface, review previously recorded footage, and receive event notifications. Instead of having recordings spread across different camera apps or relying entirely on cloud storage, your surveillance footage can be stored locally on your own NAS. This also gives you much more flexibility with storage. If you are recording continuously or using multiple cameras, you can install high-capacity hard drives and dedicate a large amount of local storage specifically to surveillance footage. Setting everything up is also very beginner-friendly. The tool-free slide-out drive trays make installing hard drives quick and easy. And the step-by-step setup wizard walks you through the installation process, so even first-time NAS users can get started without too much difficulty. Performance is powered by an AMD Ryzen embedded quad-core processor with 8 GB of DDR4 memory, expandable up to 64 GB. Whether you are recording security footage, backing up multiple computers, running Docker applications, or streaming media throughout your home, the system is designed to handle multiple workloads simultaneously. Connectivity is another major highlight. You get dual 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, giving the NAS the network bandwidth needed for extremely fast local file transfers when it's connected to compatible networking equipment. Let me show you a practical example. Right now I'm transferring this large file directly from my computer to the NAS over my local network. I will also upload the same file to Google Drive so you can see the difference in completion time during my actual test. The important difference here is that transferring files to the NAS happens across your local network, while cloud services generally require uploading that data through your internet connection. So the actual performance will depend on your network configuration and internet connection. And once the file is stored on the NAS, I'm not limited to accessing it from this computer. Here I can access the same data from my laptop, and now I can open it from my phone as well. This makes the DXP4800 GT useful as centralized storage for multiple devices around your home or workspace. Unlike many cloud services, there are no monthly storage subscription fees for storing your files on the NAS itself. Once you own the NAS and your drives, your files remain in your own hardware, giving you greater control over your data while potentially reducing recurring cloud storage and security camera subscription costs. The DXP4800 GT supports multiple RAID configurations, including RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10, allowing you to choose appropriate balance between storage capacity, performance, and redundancy. It also supports detailed user permission management with up to 2048 user accounts, making it suitable not only for families but also for teams and small businesses that need different levels of access to shared files. So overall, the UGREEN NAS Sync DXP4800 GT is much more than just network storage. So if you like to learn more, check the link in the description below and get a discount. This is all for today's review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.